Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer video from SD card using Windows File Explorer. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by inserting your SD card into the appropriate slot on your computer or using an external card reader. Wait for Windows to recognize the SD card and open File Explorer. If File Explorer doesn't open automatically, you can manually open it by clicking on the File Explorer icon on the taskbar. In File Explorer, look for the SD card under the This PC section on the left sidebar. Click on the SD card to view its contents. Locate the video files you want to transfer. Select the video files by clicking on them. If you need to select multiple files, hold down the Control key while clicking on each file. Once you've selected the files, right-click on one of the highlighted files. From the context menu, choose the Copy option. Now navigate to the folder on your computer where you want to transfer the videos. This could be your videos folder, desktop, or any custom folder you prefer. Once you're in the desired folder, right-click in an empty space. From the context menu, choose the Paste option. The files will now begin transferring from the SD card to your computer. Wait for the transfer process to finish before removing the SD card. Once the transfer is complete, you can safely eject the SD card by right-clicking on its icon in File Explorer and selecting Eject. Your videos are now successfully transferred to your computer for viewing or editing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.